This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a few essentials to move fast: a DSP access, sample creatives, and a small test budget. First, confirm you know DSP versus SSB roles and how RTB loops work. This clears confusion. Once done, create one campaign with a $50 test cap, pick geo and device targets, and set a CPM goal. Make sure to upload 2 creatives and a tracking pixel. Then run a short 24-48 hour test to collect initial auction data. Now you scale execution, build audience segments, and map them to creative variations. You should assemble lookalike and remarketing lists, then test contextual placements. Once live, adjust bidding with a floor price and consider bid shading to control cost. Also apply frequency caps to avoid burnout. Make sure your conversion pixel is accurate and attribution windows match campaign goals. If metrics lag, use shorter windows for faster feedback. Keep iterating creative and bids every 48-72 hours based on performance. To finish, evaluate results against your CPM and CPA targets. Look at CTR, viewability, eCPM, and ROAS. You should scale winning cells 2 to 4 times while pausing losers and reallocating budget toward high-value segments. If results stall, troubleshoot. Verify pixels fire, confirm no domain or category blocks, inspect DSP bid responses, and scan for bot traffic or invalid impressions. Finally, document changes and run another 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.